Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to disconnect earbud to our vivo phone. Guys, you want to disconnect this earbud to your vivo phone, so guys you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect in vivo phone. So first of all guys, I want to tell you, if you are in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start the video guys. First of all, open your phone setting and guys scroll not and guys click on this Bluetooth and devices. Guys click on Bluetooth. So you can see guys this earbuds guys pro we have connected in our vivo phone. And guys right side guys you can see this setting icon, setting guys, click here, disconnect. So guys this earbud will disconnect in our vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earbud to our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. It's charging as you can see.